The Archbishop of the Ecclesiastical Province of the Niger, the Most Reverend Dr. C.O. Efobi and wife, retired, and the incumbent Archbishop, the Most Reverend Dr. Alex Ibezim, PhD, and wife, were wonderful fathers. Their contributions and support cannot be quantified in the growth and development of MBAMILI Diocese. All bishops of the Niger Province are extraordinarily and cherished godfathers, as they shouldered the success of our dear diocese. Nevertheless, at the translation of Right Reverend Henry Sunday Okechukwu Okeke and family to Idato Diocese as enthroned on the 29th September 2020, Right Reverend Ephraim Ikako PhD took up the supervisory function of MBAMILI Diocese, which he handled jealously with utmost care and fear of the Lord until election, consecration, and enthronement of the emerged bishop, the Right Reverend Obiora Bernard Uzochukwu, when a new dawn reigns in God's given diocese. A red letter day in the history of the Diocese of MBAMILI. Another epoch-making took place. Every part of Anambra West local government area limped up for joy. Saturday, 13th February 2021 cannot be forgotten very easily. The glory of God was manifest in a special dimension in the Diocese of MBAMILI. It marks the beginning of stewardship of the Right Reverend Obiora Bernard and Engineer Mrs. Chizoba Uzochukwu in another capacity. Even the news of his election on Thursday, the 7th day of January 2021, gave the Diocese of MBAMILI a great hope of rejuvenation. His election, consecration, and enthronement was so dynamic that the entire environment breathed a new wave of life. MBAMILI church workers were encouraged and strengthened. This was clearly visible at his first event, Prayer Summit, held at St. Peter's Church in Oma. There was a turnaround and expansion in the whole process. Today, the program has become more interesting and center of transfiguration that it attracts abroad personalities. In his first diocesan board, finance and location, he abolished diocesan assessment and created a burden-free gospel expedition. His maiden synod, second session of the fourth synod held at Christ Anglican Church, Umuenwelum, Anam, on Friday 16th to Sunday 18th April 2021, with the theme, With God All Things Are Possible, taken from Matthew chapter 19 verse 26, and the emerge of the slogan, Tomorrow must be better than today. Echi ga-akata mma. Right Reverend Obiora Bernard and Engineer Mrs. Chizoba Uzochukwu has traversed the length and breadth of the Diocese of MBAMILI within the shortest period. Their discovery brought about the following. Prayer City. Knowing fully well that prayer is the key to success and the engine room for revival in all situations, he established and inaugurated a prayer city at All Saints Church, Orometiti, on Friday, 5th March 2021, with a powerful open heaven vigil. The arena is for personal or group set apart, fasting and prayer, counseling and deliverance. Discovery 2. MBAMILI Study Center. Education is a core to mental, social, and physical development and seen as a pivot to the growth and development of the Diocese of MBAMILI Anambra West local government area at large, considering the negligence and total dilapidation of education. A study center was inaugurated on Saturday, the 10th of April 2021, with center at Umuenwelum, Anam. Venerable Peter Ataje as the coordinator. This is to train teachers who will invariably be used to resuscitate our schools. The center is at the verge of having a credible institution to affiliate. Discovery number 3. Domac Press. In full name, Diocese of MBAMILI Anglican Communion Press. Established to support our diocese financially, the bishop and the wife invested the proceeds from their enthronement in the establishment of the diocesan printing press and sited it at Aguleri Junction. Some machines have been procured. Tipper industry. This is another big investment made by the incumbent bishop. It started with a tipper donated by his family folks that has multiplied to 4 as at the time of this report. The tippers are on, working and perfectly doing the job to produce more a financial upliftment for the diocese. Dredging site. His Lordship, the Right Reverend Obiora Bernard Ozonchukwu, made another giant investment in his determination to pull the Diocese of MBAMILI out of poverty. This was sited at Umeri Waterside.